This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb on the Zorin operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to enable or disable Do Not Disturb on Zorin. First way, you want to go off to the lower right hand corner down to where you see the date and clock. You want to click there. Then you'll go straight up, straight across to the left. This is your notifications area. And at the bottom down here, you'll see Do Not Disturb. You could toggle it on or off right here. Or another way to do it is to go to Settings. I'm going to go down to my little system tray down here. I'm going to click here. I'm going to go up to the little gear wheel here. I'm going to click in there. That will open up Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Notifications. Then on the center pane, you can see right up top here, Do Not Disturb. You could toggle it on or off right here. And then down below that, if you don't want notifications on your lock screen, you could toggle that off, on or off right here. That is how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb on the Zorin operating system. Thanks for watching.